Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's provide a solution, and we have 4 to the power of 2x plus 4 to the power of x to be equal to 20. Right, then here we can write this one as 4 to the power of x then squared. This and this, they are the same, plus 4x to be equal to 20. Okay, by writing here a y to be 4 to the power of x, okay, this will provide a y squared plus a y to be equal to 20. Right, then after y squared plus a y minus 20 will be equal to a 0. If you are reaching here, we can find two numbers we can multiply together to get negative 20, and their sum is equal to y. This will provide y squared plus 5 negative minus, yes, plus 5y minus 4y minus 20 to be equal to a 0, because if we add we get this, if we multiply we get this. Now factorize out here to get y plus a 5 minus 4, factorize 4 here to get y plus a 5 to be equal to 0. Okay, then y minus 4 and y plus a 5 will be a 0. Okay, then y minus 4 will be a 0, or y plus 5 will be a 0, whereas y equal to 4 or y equal to negative 5. Okay, then we know that 4 to the power of x equals to y. Then 4 to the power of x here will be equal to a 4, to mean that here x equals to a 1 because you have same base. Okay, that is the first one. The second one is this: we have 4 to the power of x to be equal to negative 5. Okay, now because the logarithm cannot be here, we are supposed to find x by applying logarithm only, and because logarithm cannot be a negative, this one must be rejected to stay with x which is equal to a 1. Here if we check to see our answer if it's correct, we can say 4 to the power of 2x plus 4 to the power of x is equal to 20. This is question mark. Then 2 times 1 plus a 4 per 1 will be equal to 20. Okay, question mark. So that 4 to the power 2 is equal to 16 plus a 4 which is equal to 20. And then here 20 will be equal to 20. Then left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.